What were the reasons for the decline of Buddhism and Jainism? Okay, so we will be writing the sixth answer. Okay, so under the heading Decline of Jainism, first you will write undue emphasis on non-violence. Second, you will write strict Jaina limitation of private property. And third, you will write extreme form of non-violence was practiced. Then in the same, you will come to the next page now, and that is page number 64 under the heading Decline of Buddhism. You'll write the heading Decline of Buddhism. Okay. So first point you will write Buddhism became a victim to the evil of Brahmanism against which it had fought initially. So under the heading Decline of Buddhism, fifth line, Buddhism became a victim to the evil of Brahmanism against which it had fought initially. Okay. So, children, this I am explaining the sixth answer. Okay. Second point you will write Buddhist monks were gradually cut off from the mainstream of the people's life. Third point you will write they gave up Pali, the language of the people, and took to Sanskrit. Fourth point you will write the rich offering and generous royal grants made the life of the monks luxurious. Fifth point, Buddhist monasteries became centers of corrupt practices which Buddha had strictly prohibited. Then sixth point you will be writing, for their riches the monasteries became special targets of the invaders' greed. And the seventh point, reform in the Hindu religion revived its popularity. So this was the sixth answer. So you have to write the reasons for the decline of both Jainism as well as Buddhism. Now we shift on to the next one, seventh one. Okay. Name the religious texts of Buddhism and Jainism. Okay, so first heading you will write religious texts of Jainism. Come to page number 60. Religious texts of Jainism. Come to page number 60. So here under the heading religious texts only you will write religious texts of Jainism and you will write Purvas and Angas. Okay, Purvas and Angas. In the same answer, then you will write religious texts of Buddhism. Okay. For that, you have to come to page number 62. Okay. So, under the religious texts, you will write religious texts of Buddhism and you will write three Pitikas or the three baskets. Okay, so you will be writing this and then you will write these are Vinay Pitaka, then Sutta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Okay, so these were the religious texts of Buddhism. Now we shift on. This was the seventh answer. Now we are moving to the eighth. Okay, now children, in eighth, they are asking why is Buddhism called the middle path? Why is Buddhism called the middle path? So you will write Buddhism is called the middle path because. Then come to page number 62. Okay. Come to page number 62. After because you will write because Buddha did not believe in extremes. Okay. See here children on 62 page on the second side the first line. Because Buddha did not believe in extremes, he advised people to follow the middle path. So this was answer 8. Now children, we come to the next, and that is the picture study. So come to page number 68. We will do the picture study. Okay. Now children, you can see the picture of a monument over here. They are asking you to identify and name it. So this you will write it in the book only. You will write there Dilwara Jain Temple. Okay. Then second, they are asking where is it situated. So you will write it is at Mount Abu in Rajasthan. It is at Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Then children, third, they are asking who built it. Then you will write Vimal Shaha and Vastupala Tejpal. Okay. Then the fourth thing which they are asking is write a paragraph about it, about the Dilwara Jain Temple. So come to page number 61. Okay. So come to page number 61. Now children, on page number 61, have a look at contribution of Now children, this is the picture study. Okay, so you have to write from here. Most beautiful example of Jain architectural perfection are the Dilwara temples of Mount Abu, which were built between the 11th and the 13th century AD. Okay, centuries AD. These temples are renowned for skillful and artistic work in marble. So this will be the last answer in picture study. So children, with this we come to the chapter. Okay, with this we come to the end of the chapter, and I would like to tell you that all these answers you have to write the new terms, which is a very, very important part. They will be asking you all these things. Dates, as you know, they are already important, and so with this we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.